I farted that one time when the kid sneezed. Kareem Basali, who had the biggest hands in the 5th grade. That's how he would introduce himself. You go, hi, I'm Kareem Basali. I have the biggest hands in the 5th grade. That's how he would introduce himself.
It's a good tagline.
That's a cool intro.
It was a cool intro. My dad never forgot it. It like stuck with him. I guess that's important. And so, yeah, I sneezed and farted.
Your dad forgot your birthday.
He forgot a lot of things. He thought I made All-State in lacrosse, and I didn't even start. I had him on my podcast. He goes, you got an honorable mention All-State. I came to all your games. And I go, you didn't come to any of my games. He goes, I was at the ones I was at.
That's a good point. He was at all the games he was at.
That is true.
Yeah. So Kareem Basali.
Yeah, I farted and sneezed at the same time. Snarted. If you
Where?
will. In like math class. I was in 5th grade as well. No, I was in 4th grade. This is the first week I was in school at this new school. So you don't want to be the first week of farting. That's like.
Yeah.
And I farted and sneezed, and I go, look, I couldn't have farted. I sneezed. You can't do both. People bought it. It was my first lie. Right.
But you owned it and you sold it.
People bought it. And then Kareem was so pissed, and he's like, dude, you could sneeze and fart. I got the biggest hands. 5th grade.
I love just
It's
making
a skill.
up a thing.
He was
You
so
should
mad.
have gotten a patch from the president for that.
Oh, yeah, for doing both?
Yeah.
Can you multitask? Are you good at multitasking?
Farting and peeing at the same time? Or farting
Can you
and...
fart and
She can shit and pee at the same time.
Oh, yeah, everyone can.
We can?
Everyone shits and pees at the same time. Chris Porter used to have a joke that's like, peeing and not pooping. Pooping and not peeing is like drinking and not having a cigarette. Whereas if you have if you can pee, you can have a cigarette and not drink, but you can't drink and not have a cigarette.
I don't think he meant at the same time.
No, he did. He meant like when you're drinking and you need a cigarette. But when you get what I'm saying.
Yes.
So
Like,
when you poop, you must pee.
Oh, always.
But not at the same time.
Yeah, sometimes they come out at the same
I
simultaneously.
pooped and not
Okay.
peed.
Why do we always go back to
I don't know. But
I mean, it is like, seriously, we can't
It's
help
fun.
because we try to talk about what George Bush does, and we go.
it. Yeah,
So
we
then
go,
we're
no,
like-
he had a stroke hand, pencil fingers.
So anyways, I shit myself yesterday.
Did you
We talk about what we know.
Did
Yeah.
you watch the hearings? Or do you want to talk about pooping and peeing?
I know exactly.
Which hearings? The impeachment?
Yeah.
Ugh,
Oh man, it's bad out there.
I don't pay attention to
But
that
do-
either.
Is that bad? That's bad that we don't pay attention.
No, I don't think it's bad because literally, like, there's nothing I can do about it.
You have a big platform.
Bad.
No, I don't care.
You can
People
reach a
don't want-
million people with your thoughts.
I know, but I do
In a second.
when I talk about veganism and
Yeah.
like things
No,
that
I know.
actually I'm informed about. Even that I'm not that informed about. Like I don't
You never
know.
watched that whole documentary.
I don't watch any of them.
You don't even read a book.
I never wrote a book about it. I don't like animals dying. You know? Let's talk about the new jacket.
Yaka.
You get a new jacket.
I got a bomber.
I went
I feel
shopping
like
with him.
women are gonna lose their. I'm gonna have sex with a lot of wives in this. I feel like.
Someone
Where'd you
else's
get that
wife?
jacket?
Yeah. I'm gonna start. That's my new thing.
You're
going
going
after
outside
married
the
women,
box.
ruining families.
Yeah.
Because I got a bomber jacket on.
What was the origin of this bomber jacket? What dead man style did you rip off? Is this a Shia LaBeouf?
To be honest.
He died?
No,
No.
but
Oh.
every time a guy dies, they're in the news a lot. Andrew's like, I don't like their wardrobe a lot.
I
And
get
then
their
he-
wings and their
Yeah.
clothes.
Yeah, he honors them by
Like-
stealing their entire wardrobe essence. But then
I've been looking at some styles.
I'm not joking you. The other day I looked at his YouTube searches, and one of them was how to dress like Shia LaBeouf. He watched a whole video of it. He watched all 7 minutes of it.
I'm not alone in this, by the way.
I know, there were
There's
a lot of views
whole
on that,
Instagram
but
called
they're
Shia
all-
LaBeouf's outfits.
Okay, so who's
Okay, I got
outfit
some
is it?
Shia
That's
on.
cool.
I got Shia shoes, but they're black. I didn't wait to get the
love
white
these
ones.
shoes. I
They're
was looking at
Cortez.
them today.
I got the
They
Shia
fit you.
socks. He wears high socks, which he copied off someone, I'm sure. Some dead person, too. And then the Shia pants.
I love
he
these
doesn't wear
pants.
jeans.
Uh-huh.
These are from J. Crew.
What's the stain
great.
from?
That's a Shia stain. He always puts a little ketchup here and here, but I just went one leg to make it my own. Then this is a Nike hoodie. This is Andrew. This is all me. Although, not a dead man, because not yet.
That's a little Mac
Mac
Miller.
Miller. It's a little
yeah,
Mac
that's
Miller.
hung over from
Can I be
it.
honest though? Mac Miller doesn't usually rock the hood. He wouldn't really rock Nike, I don't think.
Got it.
Then I got a Levi's sweater. That's just or
Sweater.
shirt, and then a bomber jacket. I gotta be honest, this person's still alive. I don't even want to say it out loud because there's 2 comics that wear bomber jackets a lot.
Okay.
So I didn't buy a bomber jacket because of this.
Because you didn't want to look like...
Nate Bargatze and Tom Segura.
Okay, yeah.
They both wear them all the time on stage. And I just think people are already
You
calling
just always
me.
think it looks good.
Where'd you get this?
And so
I
that's
like
why
this.
you got it.
This was my dead grandpa's watch.
See, dead men.
I copied his style.
It's working.
Wait
This
a
is
second.
a cool watch.
Yeah, it seems
I
smart.
look stylish now.
You do.
I have to say though, like you stole the bomber idea from Nate and Tom. Like that wasn't something you wanted to get until you saw it on them and were like, it looks good. I mean, it's okay, but that's true.
Yeah, but they saw it off someone else.
Sure, but we all see something off someone else. But I'm just saying, when people go, "Hey, you look like Tom Segura," you can't get mad. That is who influenced
I don't get mad
that.
anymore. I accept it.
Okay.
And I'm like, you know what? If I remind
What's
you.
the hat style? Where did you get that one
This
from?
is, I don't want to look 39.
Do you think that's helping you?
Well, I know forward I look too much like David Tell.
Yeah,
Because I'm
that's
getting
true.
David Tell like this, and I talk like this.
Yeah, you do look like David Tell like that. Okay.
Yeah, so then I go backwards. I don't really know many comics. Theo Vaughn goes backwards a little bit. He's the only one I know. I kind of want to look like I'm...
Do you get so upset when you see a comic who's more famous than you doing something that you always wanted to do? Is it like...
Like style-wise?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, you really pay attention.
But there aren't many styles for guys.
Right.
That look cool, that look chill. I like earth tones. I'm an earth tone. You know? So anyways, my grandpa gave this to my Aunt Nancy. She got everything from him. And I was like, I really want an Omega watch. I wanted there was another kind. And she's like, oh, I have 7 of them. Like, she has like so many watches. She has like, I got a Rolex, I got this. She's like, you can have this one, it doesn't work.
How much is that worth?
This here?
Yeah. You gotta know.
Probably like $3,700 maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. It looks like a
Damn.
Rolex.
Yeah, it's an Omega Constellation in the 70s. It might not be worth that much. I'm sure someone's going to
You
write
never
it.
Googled it?
I did, because I was going to sell it to buy this jacket.
Thank you so much for watching that clip that you just watched. Did you enjoy it? I hope you did. If you did, thumbs up it. Why don't you subscribe? Why don't you just keep watching more videos? Let them play. Share with your friends. Go share on your Instagram story. Go just have a great day.